Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Happy new year. I can't believe we're already in 2021. 2020 has left the building and I'm pretty sure we're all excited about that. But in today's video, I'm so excited because it is the first video of the new year for me. And I think it's a pretty good one because I'm going to be sharing with you guys some products that help to repair damaged hair. So this is a great one for your hair to start fresh for the new year. So if you would like to see that, then just keep watching. So I love sharing new and exciting products with you guys. And for this video, I'm partnering with Curlsmith to share their brand new product dropping this month. So I love Curlsmith products. I use their products in quite a few of my videos. If you would like to see my full review of their product line, you can check it out right here in the link above. But I'm excited about this one because this product in particular is something different. So this is their Bond Curl Rehab Solve. This is a bonding treatment for weak, damaged hair. It gives resilience, protection, and bond stability. It has clean ingredients like pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, and guava and kale. It's vegan and cruelty-free with no sulfates or silicones. So what makes this product so unique? This is comparable to this. So if you guys don't know what this is Olaplex number 3. This is probably the most popular, most well-known hair bond repairing product on the market. So this is like the leading product. So I'm excited about this one because this is made to do the same thing. They just use a lot of natural and clean ingredients. So in this video, I'm going to be using these products side by side, and I actually haven't done a side-by-side video in a while. So I'm really excited for this to see how they work together. So let's begin. The reason my hair is damp is because you are supposed to put these products on damp hair. So I parted my hair in the middle. I have my microfiber towel. I'm just gonna put it around my shoulders so that I can apply these products. So on my right side, I'm going to be using the Bond Curl Rehab Solve, and on my left side, I'm going to be using the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. So for Olaplex, you just put it on your hair until it is fully saturated. So if you haven't seen it, about 2 to 3 years ago, I did post an Olaplex review. So the Olaplex number 3 product is the leading product in the market for bond repairing products. That's why I'm excited about Curlsmith's, because I'm excited to try something different that claims to do the same thing. So I'm just going to braid it while it sits in my hair. It says that you can leave it on for 10 minutes or however long you want to. Usually I would leave this in for 30 minutes to an hour depending on how much free time I had, but I'm going to just braid this now so it can stay while I do the other side. Okay, moving on to the Rehab Solve. So it's nice and thick and creamy. That smells really good. Wow. I'm just going to thoroughly saturate my hair with it. So it says to apply generously on damp hair until it is fully saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes and longer if desired. You can do it up to an hour. So rinse off thoroughly and follow with your favorite Curlsmith cleansers. So I'm going to continue raking this through my hair, making sure that my hair is saturated. This definitely feels a little bit, just a little bit creamier than the Olaplex. Make sure you get the back section of your hair. For me, that is a very dry part of my hair. So we definitely want to repair those parts. Definitely get those roots because the top of our hair is where we get the most exposure to, you know, the sun, just pollutants from outside. So we definitely want to get that, bringing it all the way down to our ends. Okay, and now I'm going to braid this section. Braiding it just helps to like keep the hair in place, keep the product in there without getting it on your shirt or anything like that. Okay, now that I have both of them in my hair, I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for at least 30 minutes just to let it really get in there. My hair needs a good boost for the new year so it can get all the help and TLC that it can. So while this is sitting in my hair, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little more about this product and why it's so important. So basically our hair is made up of a keratin structure and it's reinforced by hair bonds. So we have 3 types of hair bonds and these 3 make up the hair structure. So there are disulfide bonds, which can be damaged by bleach or chemical treatments. I've had bleach and chemicals put in my hair back in the day, so I know that I definitely have damage there. There are salt bonds, and these can be damaged by the sudden change of pH balance in your hair. And then hydrogen bonds, and these can be damaged by excess moisture and heat, which a lot of us can relate to there. So the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Solve is a powerful blend of superfoods and fortifying active ingredients that target all three of these bonds to repair, rebuild, and restore hair fiber strength. It also provides protection to help against further damage. So this product is a very protein-rich, intense, pre-shampoo product. It helps to strengthen and repair your hair from the inside out. This is great because it works for all hair types. If you have a certain porosity, you would use it more or less. So let's talk about porosity. So there are a lot of different ways out there that tell you how you can figure out your hair's porosity, but at home you can do the simple water test. Okay, so to do the home water test, you start off by spraying some water on naked hair. So you want your hair to be clean, no products, no leave-in, no nothing. So spray your hair, and if the water starts off with little droplets on the surface that don't sink in immediately, then you have low porosity hair. Next, if you spray some water on your hair and the water turns into little droplets on the surface and then it sinks in easily afterward, you might have medium porosity hair. And lastly, if you spray some water on your hair and the water immediately sinks in, then you probably have high porosity hair. I believe that I have medium porosity hair, but this product's pretty great because it actually has the whole porosity test on the bottom of the back, which is pretty cool. And then it also recommends how often you should use it depending on your porosity. So if you have low porosity, you should use this every 2 to 3 wash days. If you have medium porosity, you should use it every other wash day. And if you have high porosity hair, then you should use it every wash day. So I have 5 more minutes left until I wash this out of my hair. Right now, I'd say they feel about the same. When you use products like these, it starts to dry a little bit. So I'm starting to feel a little bit of a gentle cast on both sides. So on the curl rehab side, I definitely feel a little bit of a stronger cast. Like this one's starting to dry a little more, so my color's getting lighter. This side still looks darker, so it's more wet. Okay, time is up, so it's time to wash these products out of my hair. I'm going to be using Curlsmith's Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo and their Glow Perfecting Conditioner. These two are great for all hair types, but they're especially great for color-treated hair like mine. They help to bring out the tones and just help your hair color to shine and glow. So I'm gonna use these and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. My hair is freshly washed. That was a great experience because that shampoo and conditioner smells amazing. Now I'm going to be moving on to styling my hair so that I can show you guys my complete results, styled, dried, and all that good stuff. So to style my hair, I'm going to be using these babies right here. So I'm going to start off with the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. This is a styling foam for curly and wavy hair. It has a light hold, it adds volume, and it's weightless. And then I'm going in with the Featherlight Protein Cream. This is a styling cream for weak, damaged curls. So it defines and styles your hair, it adds strength, and it has a medium hold. And then lastly, this is the In Shower Style Fixer Gel. So you guys know that I've mentioned this quite a few times on my channel. I love this gel, definitely one of my favorites. So I'll get right into it. I'm going to start off using the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. So I'm going to add this to my roots and kind of like the top area of my hair for some volume. So this is an airy foam. It provides a light hold. It can be layered with other stylers as well to give volume and a protein boost. If you guys notice in most of my curly hair routines, I start off using like a mousse or some type of foam because I feel like it really helps in adding volume and body to my hair. And this has the same great scent. It smells so good. They have these little like tips in the back, and it says the truth about protein. Balancing protein-rich and moisturizing products in your hair routine is key to healthy, strong hair. Ain't that the truth? Our strength recipes are protein-enriched formulas designed to rebalance your hair needs. The more porous and damaged your hair is, the more protein-based products you should use. So I'm gonna go in with the Featherlight Protein Cream. So this is a true styling cream enriched with protein. It clumps curls together, it defines your curls, it provides a medium and flexible hold, and it creates a slight cast that provides frizz protection. This is a really thin, lightweight cream. not gonna weigh the hair down, but will add enough moisture and hydration. So it says to rake it through, and then after that it says to do the praying hands method. So you want to smooth down the hairs after raking it through. So these three right here, the Bond Curl Rehab Solve, the Feather Light Protein Cream, and the Bounty Strength Volume Foam are part of their strength recipe line. So these are specifically made for damaged hair, for weaker hair. It adds protein to your hair. They have other great natural ingredients in them, and these are made to revive your curls and help to bring them back to health. Okay, now that those are in, I'm going to scrunch to encourage the curls to form. I'm gonna scrunch on this side. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with their in-shower style fixer. This is a stronghold gel. It rates a 10 out of 10 extreme hold. So I won't use too much, just a little bit to hold everything together. And it helps to flip your hair upside down to scrunch as well. Okay, now that I scrunched the products into my hair, I'm going to diffuse my hair until it is fully dry. Then I'm going to come back with the results and show you guys what my hair looks like after using these two treatments side by side. Do you think there's going to be a big difference between each side? We'll see. I'm gonna dry my hair till it's fully dry, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. My hair is finally dry. I was trying to be really quick before the sun went down so I don't lose that lighting, but yeah, this is my hair. It is dry for the most part. I've been trying to shake the roots a little bit so I can get that volume that I like, but my hair is dry and I think my curls look really good. They look really shiny and defined. So I'm gonna get a little close up so we can see both sides. So if you remember, this is the Olaplex number 3 side, and then this is the Curl Rehab side. So right off the bat, as I was drying my hair, I noticed that this side dried just a little bit quicker, and because of that I got a little tiny bit more frizz. On this side my curls had a little bit more of a cast, I think, so I don't see as much frizz on this side. You see it's just very minimal frizz over here. In terms of how they both feel, my hair feels very soft. I can still smell the cleansers and stylers. They smell amazing. So now we ask, do I think that the Bond Curl Rehab Solve can compare to the leading bond repairer product, Olaplex number 3? I think yes. I'd say that both sides look really good. Both sides are defined. Both sides look really nice and shiny. My hair feels super soft, voluminous, bouncy. This is a great product, don't get me wrong, but something that I feel very comfortable about with this product is all of the natural ingredients. When I look at the ingredients in this one, I am not familiar with all the ingredients. So I think the fact that this one is cruelty-free, it's vegan, it contains organic ingredients in it is a major selling point in comparison to this one. It definitely smells better as well. This one doesn't have a bad smell, but this smells better in my opinion. My back sections that tend to be very dry feel good. So I'm happy about that. So my ends on both sides look more hydrated than usual. These look a little scraggly. I don't know why, but they definitely both have shine. My ends here look a little bit more defined. But yeah, guys, I think this is a great product, definitely comparable to Olaplex number 3. And I'd say that my standards for Olaplex number 3 are pretty high because it's so popular. I've used it for years, especially because it was the only bond repairing product that I know about and that I use. But now that I have this one, I'm excited to be using this throughout the year. So I will give you guys an update later on in the year to talk about what it's done for my hair over time in terms of strengthening and repairing. So I would definitely recommend trying out this product and trying out the other products that I mentioned. Their ingredients again are awesome. Don't forget to check the description box to find the link to these awesome products. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is this a product that you would try? Let me know. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.